what we talked about in class. So something just to help you with your student on today with homework. So I'm starting with problem 2. We started multiplication today. So we talked about equal groups and we talked about arrays. This is a picture of an array. An array, we're looking at the rows. The rows go side to side, and then the columns go up and down like this. So if I was to ask how many rows do I have, I would have 2 rows. This is 1 row. I'll underline it. This will be 1 row, and then this will be 2 rows. So this would have 2 rows. Now, if I was to ask the question how many columns I have, I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Columns go up and down. So that's what we discussed on today. So the question asks, the question asks, explain how can you write a multiplication equation for the picture. So we write it with rows and columns. So the multiplication equation will be blank times blank equals blank. Well, when you are doing an array, the first number is always going to be the rows. Your second number is going to be the columns. And the third number is your product, which is the answer, or the total. So if I look at this, again, we had 1, 2 rows. So this would be 2. Now when I look at my columns, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So this would be 6. So then I would look to see how many I have all together. You count them to see how many you have all together. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the product or the total would be 12. That is how you would do number 2. Then if we would move on to number 3, which is in the back, that's on page 96, it says, draw a picture of 4 equal groups of 3 buttons. So they asked for 4 equal groups. That means we're drawing